Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an oil-free salad recipe ideal to have as a meal for dinner or for lunch. A healthy and filling salad to include in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make this salad, I'm using 2 medium-sized cucumber. First, I'm peeling the skin of the cucumber. And then I'm trimming off both the ends of the cucumber. Then I'm just rubbing the end like this. This will help to remove bitterness from the cucumber if there is any. I'm doing the same thing with both the ends. Next, I'm finely chopping the cucumber into a ball. Into this, I'm adding in 2 medium-sized carrot finely chopped, 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon kala namak, also known as black salt, half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, 1/3 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Squeeze in 1 whole lemon. I'm giving this all a good mix. At this stage, you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. And now I'm going to keep this aside. Next, I'm making an oil-free salad dressing recipe, and for that I'm using overnight soaked and peeled almonds. This is 15 overnight soaked and peeled almonds. Into this I'm adding in 1/8 cup water, some fresh coriander leaves, 2 green chilies. Green chili you can increase or decrease as per your taste. And now I'm going to blend this, and my oil-free salad dressing is ready. The natural healthy fats in the almonds will help to make this salad oil-free. If you don't have almonds at hand, you can use any nuts of your choice, but make sure you soak it a little bit so that the phytates in the nuts are released, and also helps in blending it really well. Remember that if you're using almonds, you need to soak it overnight and then peel the almonds. Peeling helps to release the phytic acid content in almonds, and that will help in better digestion and better nutrient absorption. Let me just show you how beautifully the mix has come out. It has blended really well, and my super healthy oil-free salad dressing is ready. Into the cucumber mix, I'm adding in the salad dressing, and now I'm going to give this a good mix. For a subtle sweetness, crunch and fiber, I'm adding in 1 finely chopped apple, and give this a good mix. And my oil-free salad is ready to serve. You can transfer this to a bowl and enjoy as a meal for lunch or for dinner. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.